In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the language on Facebook Messenger. Whether you're learning a new language or just want to switch things up, we've got you covered, so let's get into it. First, open the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android device. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. In the Messenger app, tap on your three horizontal lines, scroll down and tap on Settings. Here you can choose and find language option. Tap on it to see the list of all available languages. Browse through the list of languages and select the one you want to use. Messenger will immediately change to selected language. After selecting your language, you might need to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, you'll be taken back to your chat screen with new language settings applied. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language in Facebook Messenger. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.